here at Supermercado. Just a few steps from the terminal. Let me show you the terminal where I came from. That's the terminal. And then this is Supermercado. So let's see what we can find here. There's a lot of it's like a food court, except mas marami siyang kain. Look at it. Look at all the stalls here. Indonesian restaurant. Some corn shrimp. Green day. Yeah, this is a foodie paradise. They have different kinds of food here. Anything that you can imagine. Cajun seafood. It's like a seafood boil, except they do it like that. Bisaya, meron pa rin. May tinola. So different kinds of food here too. And they even have pork belly and everything. This one's steak and surf and turf, basically oysters. They have oysters here too. Kansi. I had that in Iloilo. They have inasal, pot boy roast. Tamang spa. Meron silang sisig. Ang klaseng dish ito? Croatian? Oh, cool. Thanks. Ito another seafood place. Mr. Bones. So they have steak and seafood. Balbakwahan. Lechon and balbakwa. They have beef balbakwa. Ulalo. May lechon dinuguan din. Bao-bao xiaolong bao. Ito mga dumplings. 99 3 pieces na xiaolong bao. The noodles, this beef burger, snack bar, specialty drink. So now we're going to the inner part. Mark's Pepper meal. Okay, meron din silang beef curry. This one fried rice. Ayan, meron din mga lumpia. Java Express. Look at that. Pasta. Sorry. Look at the other side. Kusina Guadalupe. Lechon shrimp chicken pasta. Sea Monster. But looks like they're all fried. Nice. And here, Portuguese egg tart. Dito meron pa Japanese. So there's a lot of choices here. They even have the Thai chicken in a salmajindata. And the price not that bad either. Tom yum soup. Tom yum fried rice. So yun lang, and then I'm gonna look for food to eat. Okay. So I ended up getting the umba. This is, traditional Cebu, like adobo. It's only about 2 pieces of meat. This is 195. But it has fried eggs and pickles and cucumber. So the umba basically, there are 3 pieces actually. So kind of difference is that you can taste the star anise taste. So it's like braised pork. I bought the special, which has umba rice. So basically the sauce of the umba is already in here. I'm definitely gonna have the Cebu lechon. There's a place near my condo. I think it's called CNT. But they don't only specialize in lechon, but they have different Cebu foods. Masarap. Madami siyang rice. And yung rice talagang it's soaked with diumba sauce. Ayan o. Diba? Okay na rin. And another thing is that they honor senior discount here.
Here at the IT Park, thank you so much for being here tonight. So we'll be playing some of your acoustic favorites while you enjoy your sumptuous dinner. Let's join me.
Ay, galing. Sinasapak siya. Sinasapak siya.
I know I should have eaten where there's a table, but this is basically where I'm eating. It's a stand-up table.
Ito nga, open na ito.
Ngayon marami pa rin tao dito. Kasi marami dito, they're working at the call center. And I think this is very popular. I've seen a lot of foreigners here too. Young and old. This is actually an IT park. Kaya meron pickles. Pero yung pickles niya hindi maganda. Masarap yung ano niya, kumba. Actually, ang prices ng food dito, they're inexpensive. Well, some of them are, but generally, they're affordable. Nice thing too is that they have a live band. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this rice. Ang dami ng rice niya. Pero masarap eh.